So, first thing that you'll do before making your leaf foldable is you'll end up, or you'll get a sheet that looks, you get it the right way around, that looks something like this. So it goes, and it's got all of your particular parts on that you will need to go and cut out. So you need to go cut them out. The parts where it says fold over, you are going to go. So once you've cut it out, it'll look like this. You'll get the part that says fold over, you'll fold it over backwards. Right, the next thing that you'll need to do is go and glue all of the parts down either onto a sheet of paper or into your book, depending on where you're doing it. So you'll go. Be really careful that when you're going and you're sticking stuff down, stuff lines up properly, that you're not getting too much of a overlap. Right, so when you're going and you're sticking things down, all of your parts should go and stick together relatively nicely and such forth. Right, you'll have a bit more time to go and do this than I'm spending now. Right, once all of your individual parts are stuck down, you can then go and use any information from any of your sources or any of the information that you've gathered to go and start filling it out. Right, so to go and start recording and describing what the different sections of the leaf do underneath the flaps that will now open up. Right, so once we've gone, we've stuck it down, your upper epithelium and waxy cuticle will open up like that. Right, remember your upper epithelium is there, it's nice and thin so lots of light can get through it. Underneath that you've got your palisade layer. Right, remember your palisade layer, right, when it opens up, is made out of palisade cells. Palisade cells have lots of chloroplast. The palisade cells have lots of chloroplast because this is the layer where you're going to get lots of light, so we'll be able to carry out the photosynthesis. Underneath that you've got the spongy mesophyll layer. That will open up like that. You need to go and talk about gases diffusing in and out. So you need to talk about carbon dioxide diffusing up into the leaf, up into your palisade cells, and oxygen made in photosynthesis diffusing out. On the other side, you've got your xylem and phloem, so you can write a little bit about the xylem bringing water up to the palisade layer for photosynthesis, and the phloem going and carrying away the products of photosynthesis. And at the bottom, you've got the stomata with guard cells at either side. You can just go and write a little bit about just what they are. So the fact that they're the air holes that allow air in and out of the leaf.